what do ordinals look like? Let's see if we can visualize the ordinals that came up with the axiom of infinity. So I'm going to start with the empty set. The empty set we'll make with a dot so we can keep track of it. Can't. That's my cat. You can see his little tail. Sorry, Zeke. Okay. So let's start with the empty set. Nothing. We'll keep track of it with a dot. And the next set would be the set that contains the empty set. And we can see there's a difference between nothing and the set that contains nothing. The set that contains nothing has something in has an element because it has nothing, and nothing is nothing. And we keep going. So the next set has to contain the elements that came before it in this construction. So this set, the set that contains the empty set, and the set that contains the empty set. Let's do another up here. Oh, you're learning. I like circles. So this set contains the empty set, the set that contains the empty set, and the set that contains the empty set and the empty set. I said those backwards. Okay, let's do one more. So this set contains the empty set, the set that contains the empty set, this set here that has two elements, the empty set and the set that contains the empty set, and this also has this element, the new one. So it has the empty set that contains the empty set, and then the set that contains the empty set and the empty set. So we can assign these numbers like ordinal numbers that we think of 1, 2, 3. So this would be 0, nothing. Not to say that 0 and the empty set are the same thing. Then this 1, 2, 3, because it has 3 elements, and 4. And you can think of it like the number 4 is the set that contains 0, 1, 2, and 3. And the ordinal, we think maybe there's like an ordering. These aren't ordered sets necessarily, but we can see that there's a natural ordering. Oh, this one's the smallest, and then it gets bigger and bigger. We can see it growing. And also we can see that these are like fractals, like the original fractals. And so the next set would have all of these. So this board would be 5, everything in here. And if you want to think of omega, what does omega look like? Omega is a big circle with all of these finite ordinals in it. And then imagine that circle, okay, now like glowing and shining. Okay, we're going to do something with it. This is omega. And then omega plus 1 is now a bigger circle, and you put all the finite ordinals in there plus that glowing ball of omega. That's omega plus 1. I'm going to keep going and going.